I'm in Gotham City in a Batmobile. Even though it get crazy, niggas don't talk like Swayze.
What up? This is Swayze, and you already know I still don't got my silver play button. I'm done counting the days. But we got some good news, guys. So I'ma tell it to you just like this. If you good news, K, move along. Just click out of the video. Cause some of you's peoples, all you wanna hear is bad news. But if you're still here and then click off the video, look at your screen. Just take a glance at your screen. You love to see it. Yes, it looks like Douglas Bernard Jr. and Ron Suno decided to put their differences to the side and squash the BEFF. Yes, people. Yes. They squashed the BEFF. And I don't think you guys understand how proud I am of these two. Now, if you guys don't remember, they got into a little kerfuffle not too long ago when K-Flock was free, and that's where you get that viral picture of Dougie B running without his shirt. And at the time, there was a lot of back and forth going on between the two.
Yo, poppin'. What's the word? What's the word? What you want? What you on? What you on? Yo, bro, you want a ball? What's up, bro? Trying to ball?
However, a video just surfaced of them two together, which looks like in a studio, and I think new music is on the way.
Bro, yo, nobody fucking with us, bro.
Fuck all the bullshit,
all
bro.
The bullshit.
Get money, bro. Life short, you heard?
Fuck the politics.
Yo, everybody that wanted to see us, everybody wanted to see us full suck our dick, nigga.
Suck our dick.
Well, there you have it, people. It's a good day in Gotham City. The kids were reached and the BEFF has been squashed. And you know what? I think this is because of La Familia. Pat yourselves on the back. Pat yourselves on the back. We influenced the people to stop the BEFF. But I see people in the comment section saying things like, yo, K-Flock not gonna jack this. I just spoke to K-Flock. He ain't jacking this. And this, that, and the third. Look, K-Roy and Douglas are best friends, damn near brothers. I'm sure that they talk to each other about this and everything is copacetic, all right? Come on. There's no more BEFF. Let's keep it that way. But pull up in the comment section and let me know how you feel about this situation. And if you like the video, don't forget to share, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and make sure you hit that notification button. But I'm off this.
Nigga, what you jack? What you jack? Nigga, what you bet? Pussy, I made that bet. I was just talking to Favi, that nigga told me go and set. He with the movers. Nigga, throw up your set. Everything K.
Everything K.
Nigga, everything dead. Pussy, you heard what I said.